So, good day everyone. So, my name is Marie Flor B. Multicalvo together with my co-member, which is Lawrence Ligaspi and Chandray Umpukan. So, with course by section in BSIT 2F. For this laboratory 3, we develop a school management system specific which in using Java or GUI. So this application is built to demonstrate core OOP, which is object-oriented programming. So the first is inheritance. So a base person class is extended by students and teacher classes reusing common and attributes like name, their age, while adding unique features like student grade, teacher subject. And the second is encapsulation. So the data like the student IDs, teacher contact details, and course credit are warped within classes with control access via getters and setter to ensure the security. And the polymorphism, these methods like display info or overridden to show tailored details for student, teachers, and courses. The system enables user to create, update, and delete records for student, teachers, and courses, assign student to specific courses, and access the real-time summary, statistic, and interactive dashboard. So let me show the GUI application. The purpose of this is the system that we designed is to simulate a streamlined academic management tool for school administrators, reducing manual paperwork by centralizing data handling. It ensures data consistency and simplify tasks like enrollment tracking and resource allocation. The main module is our dashboard um, as a home screen displaying key metrics or such as a total number of student enrolled, active courses offered and teacher on staff na nandito tanan naka-display tawag na dashboard. And it also show quick link to frequently used features like new student registration, course schedule updates, like ana. Then sa student management also allow user to input manage student profiles or including personal information, enrolled courses, and academic performance. It supports searching for students by their ID or names and exporting selected records to text file. The teacher management. So the administrators maintain their teacher details like specializations, assigned courses, or contact informations. It includes features to assign or reassign the teacher's courses based on availability. So, also the course management enables corrections and editing or course in entries with details like course code, title, credits, units, and the schedule. It also tracks enrollment capacity and show how many students are currently registered for each courses. Additionally, a dedicated enrollment sub-module within the system links student courses, ensuring only eligible students based on prerequisite set and the course module can be registered. And that's all. Thank you.